Good morning, if you can hear me. This is Monday morning, December the 19th at a little after 8 a.m. I'm videotaping a Hitachi Seiki HVP-23, stands for High Value Package. This is an overall shot of the machine. The high value package included the machine, the LNS Quickload Barfeed that's coming into view right now, chip conveyor, miscellaneous tooling, and so forth. I'm at the chip conveyor end of the machine here now. Chip conveyor is fully operational. Standing at the rear of the machine now. The machine is currently in operational condition. It's going to be removed from service tomorrow morning to make room for a new machine. I know the shop personally where this machine is located at, where I'm filming it. Okay, I'm giving you a close-up here of the electrical cabinet. As I said, the machine is well maintained. I know this machine's equipped with a Seicos control. It's currently in a setup mode. It's interesting, if it appears as though the screen is rolling, I don't know why, but when I take the camera off of it, it's stationary. The machine is equipped with a S26 hard-inch collet chuck, S26 master collet and collet pads. The collet pads will be included as part of the tooling package. It also has a tool touch probe as well as a parts catcher on the machine. The machine has a 10-station block-type turret. All of the boring bar or round shank tool holders are included as part of the machine tool package. No perishable or semi-perishable tools are included. Overall, the interior of the machine looks good. I always look for dents in the sheet metal, nicks out of the base of the spindle or the turret to see if there's been any wrecks. Does not appear to be. This machine is not equipped with a tailstock. It was delivered from the factory originally without it. The machine was installed in, I believe, either 1995 or 96. I'll provide you with those details. I'm having him run the spindle. We'll try and go through from a slow RPM up to a faster RPM. Can you increase the speed for me? You want me to use the spindle at 1,000 RPM? I'll try and get up as close as I can. I know that the background noise in the shop is a little difficult. Okay, we're moving the slide in the Z-axis here. Does not appear to be any problems with the ball screw or ball nut. x-axis movement. And can you index the turret for me?
Absolutely.
Third index. Again, does not appear to be any indication of bad gears or bearings or anything of that nature.
Not sure if it'll do it with the door open.
We've got the door. We're going to attempt to operate the part sketcher here for you. I'm not sure it'll operate with the door open, but we'll try. There it is in position there.
Yeah, the door has to be closed.
Door has to be closed in order for it to go back. I don't know if you can see it through the door or not. And that's the same with the tool probe.